Hey there, welcome back guys. This video special thanks to Alex6293. We really appreciate you pointing this out on our last YouTube short. As you can see here, he writes, think you didn't quite get the edit right there. Seems to be a glitch with OpusClip AI. It's an application, web application that allows you to streamline your YouTube short creation by putting a link in, and automatically it'll generate a video that works just right for you. Apparently not in this particular case, but we're going to go back in and try to edit it with the OpusClip interface to make things perfect. All right, so as you can see here, we put the YouTube link in, and OpusClip spit out the short, and as you can see, it pushed it to YouTube, and missing out a lot of the important information that was being experienced in this video, and we don't want that, and now we know to look out for that. Special thanks to shout out again to Alex6293. It's a little bit of a tedious process, but nothing beats doing it by hand, because if you do it with Final Cut, it's going to take longer. With OpusClip, maybe 5 minutes, opposed to the additional time needed to make many shorts. All right, knowing that and moving forward, let's go to the actual source right here. As you can see, we have another video here where actually did it. So you put the link in, and OpusClip will generate. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? 6 times, wow, look at that. All that many plethora of shorts that I'm going to have to go through because AI didn't do what it was supposed to do. So knowing that and moving forward, I believe it is this one right here. One of many I'll have to sift through, because as you can see, you just can't push them. And OpusClip will allow you to push these to YouTube, but I highly recommend if it generates 20, 30, 40, 50, you're going to have to do it all by hand. So that's fine. So we're going to click this one right here. We're not going to download it, and we're going to click on it and then go to edit clip, and right about here, see where it says, you're going to select where it says fill, and you're going to select right there gameplay, and then you're going to scrub. You have to scrub each one though. So see, this one says fill again, and I'm going to select gameplay. I'm going to scrub this one again. That one's fine because that's just me. And then that one definitely isn't showing what needs to be shown. And I'm going to select gameplay. And then I'm going to select here. Fill is fine. Fill, nope. That one, we'll do gameplay. It's like a combination of both. It jumps, yeah, okay. And then we'll go here. Again, select right there. Select gameplay. And then we'll go again. That one's pretty good. Pretty good. And then again, towards the end. And select gameplay. And then what we're going to do is we are going to save the changes. While that saves, we're going to go back home. You're probably thinking, like, why don't you just save your presets that way? Yeah, it doesn't really work that way. In a perfect world, it would. So now we're just going to go back, let that save, and then we're going to go back home. Okay, and then from home, what you can do is you can go into the brand template, right? And as you can see here, this is what I have. My presets already here. I have fill, which I need because when I'm there, it wanted to fill me in. I have fit, so it fits really nice. And then I have screen share because sometimes I share my screen, like we're doing a screen sharing right now. See, there I am. And then we have gameplay. But as you can see, I can select it again and save it. I'm going to save my template. And make sure you have gameplay selected like I did. But it doesn't really matter because even though it's selected, you still got to go back in there and scrub through all your videos to make sure that gameplay actually played. And like they say, don't hate the player. All right, so knowing that and moving forward, let's go back home. It should have already generated our clip, number 86, right? And still going. Takes about 60 seconds. We can leave it there, but we want to see and make sure that it makes everything the way it's supposed to be, so that our viewers, especially those who point out, had like Alex6293, thank you again, because this video would not be possible without you. So knowing that and moving forward, Alex, hopefully it does. It says 60 seconds, but it's the longest 60 seconds ever. So I'll just cut through this and so that you guys can see the more streamlined experience. And there it is. Finally, we're here. So now when I select it, and there's the missing link, we're actually trying to solder leave wires so that a buzzer can work on one of your drones, and then we can download it make a more streamlined process. The downloads usually take a little bit longer, maybe 60 to 100 seconds, depending on, it doesn't depend on your internet. You can have the fastest internet, but it's something with their servers where they somehow create this experience. And then now, if I go here and download it, and then go right there, see, voila. There we have it, and that's called the gameplay view, and you want that if your videos created in OpusClip aren't creating the full experience that you actually paid for. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Kind of neat, huh? Gotta love it. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.